find anything.
Because you deleted the original?
The original is in your hand. We gave you everything that we had.
Everyone seems to know something here, including the defense. Fill us in, or we'll charge you with obstructing our investigation.
And I've got 20 very expensive lawyers who take it to the mat to protect our users.
You may need them for something else.
Due to graphic pictures posted by various users on BeFriend's web pages, we're charging your company with 66% of disseminating indecent material to minors. That's just from looking at 100 of your 80 million.
You'll destroy my business.
Your business takes advantage of children and gives them no protection.
At least we tried. The porn sites are just as accessible and way more dangerous. All they have to do to keep the kids off the site is to create a new domain subject. .xxx. But are you going after them? No. Because they're a $2.5 billion a year business.
If they break the law, we'll prosecute them too, but today we're talking about you. We can fight over that. Exposing you in the press and a panderer. Or an agreement on these charges.
You're supposed to have Wi-Fi. Come forward before because I didn't want to get in trouble. I'm 21. Ollie 16. And what were you concerned about?
And you've been granted immunity.
That's right.
The defendant meet.
Online, I saw her BeFriends page. It said about having sex with any guy who took them off. I IM'd her and said I'd do it. You'd murder her sex. I thought I was just going along with the game. I didn't think she meant it. I just figured she was, you know, a freak.
Where and when did the sex take place?
About 3 months before her mom was killed, she came to my dorm room.
At that time, did she repeat her request that you murder Caroline Preston?
Yeah, afterwards. And that's when I realized she was serious. I told her I wouldn't do it. She flipped out. She started throwing stuff. She started swearing at me.
Did she threaten you?
She said she'd go to the police and accuse me of rape.
And what did you say?
I said that if she did that, then I would tell her she was trying to kill her mother. As soon as she left, I sent a long email to BeFriends telling them exactly what she said and that they should take down her site.
10 years.
What's going on? We're discussing a deal.
That guy was lying. I wouldn't sleep with him, and now he's doing this to get back at me.
Greg's roommate walked in on you. He saw you talking sex.
You could find 10 years as a gift.
I didn't mean any of it. I loved my mother. Did you tell them?
She wouldn't have done any of this if it wasn't for that website. Can't Molly testify against BeFriends?